Hello student, my name is GJ Pandey and today I will deal about the circulatory system. So you know what is circulatory system? The circulatory system is a system which circulates the thing, which circulates the blood in from the heart towards the all body organs. Circulatory system. That's why it is known as the circulatory system because it circulates the blood from the heart to the body organs and from the body organs towards the heart. So why this circulatory system came into the picture in our body? There is requirement because nothing is there in the life without any requirement. So what happens when we eat food? Suppose you go to a restaurant, you eat pizza and take the juice, then the nutrition will go inside your food. Then the cell will ask, hey stomach, I need the nutrition, I need it, give me, send me. Then the stomach will send this nutrient material through the circulatory system to these cells, and these cells will take this nutrition and they will burn this nutrient material with the help of oxygen. But the question is that from the oxygen, where the oxygen will come from? And this oxygen is sent from the lungs towards the heart, and heart pumps this oxygen through the blood to the other body parts, and the cell of that body part take that oxygen and burn the nutrient material, and cell gets nutrition and gets energy and heat to maintain its temperature and do all the activities. So that's why in the circulatory system, the heart came into the picture. Heart is like suppose this is a heart. It has a fist like structure. You know, if you take your fist, and this fist structure is similar to the heart. The heart has four chambers. Okay, this is the auricle and this is the ventricle. And this heart is in muscular in nature. Heart is muscular in nature. The reason behind being it muscular is that heart need power and force to send the blood towards the cell, towards the organs which are situated far end of the body. So for this, you need force and the power, and you know that a person who is muscular has the force and the power. So is made up of cardiac muscles. Okay, and these muscles give the heart the power to pump the blood with the force. And this blood, that's why the heart originated in the form of a muscular organ in our body. Any organ which is required, any organ which is required for a particular function have its shape and its composition according to the need and the function it is supposed to do. Suppose the blood is pumped from the heart, but there should be a channel. You know, there should be a channel through which blood should go from heart to the cells of the body. So what is this channel? These channels are known as the channel of arteries and veins. These arteries and veins are elastic in nature. Arteries are thicker and veins are not much thicker than the arteries, because you know the blood when pumped from the heart, it is pumped with too much force. So arteries should be thicker in wall and it should be elastic to resist the force of the pumping action of the heart. So arteries are not in a particular shape throughout the body. Somewhere they are much broader, somewhere they are less broader, and somewhere they are lesser. See, you can understand with this diagram also that see, you know that there are national highways in our country. Okay, you know there are national highways in our country. Then the state highways, then the roads, then the streets. You ask anything, suppose you order anything from the Amazon or Flipkart, and they send the things towards your home, and the transport system takes your courier from the national highway to the state highway, towards the road, towards your street, and to your home. In the same way, aorta or big arteries are like the national highways, and arteries which are less broader than the aorta are the state highways, and the arterioles which are much lesser broader. Suppose this is the size of aorta, arteries of will be of this size, your arterioles will be of this size, and then it goes toward the streets are like the capillaries. Okay, your capillaries are like street, which are actually they are so thin, their thickness is approximately unicellular. They are just unicellular, so that the oxygen and nutrient material can pass from capillaries to the another cell, and from the capillaries, they these blood these blood is returned towards the heart. So capillaries, arterioles, capillaries, and capillaries, there is a network of capillaries, and from this network of capillaries, your venous system emerges. Your venules, the thinner venules which receives the blood, then the thicker veins which takes the blood, and then the vena cava, the big vessel vena cava, which sends blood towards the heart. Vena cava or veins have the walls inside it. They have the walls inside it. They prevent the flow of blood backward. Okay, they ensure that this blood, which is full of excretory products and the full of carbon dioxide, it should not go back. It should go towards the heart, and so that the heart can send this deoxygenated blood, which has more carbon dioxide, towards the lung, so that lung can purify this blood, and aorta, which has the oxygenated blood, the blood which is rich in oxygen, is sent into the aorta from the pulmonary veins, and these oxygenated blood is sent to the arteries. So if we make this diagram in your exam copy, or in your copy in your annual exam, then you are going to get good marks, because examiner will understand that you have the clarity of the concept.